Today I'm working on the Fairlane. I am going to take out the power steering pump. I believe it needs a new bearing and we're just going to rebuild it, but I'm also going to do the rest of the power steering. Today I'll do the pump, another day I'll do the other power steering. I got the cylinder down there that I got to pull off and rebuild that, so that'll be another video. But today is just the power steering pump, so sit back and watch. So we got it off. Now it's just a matter of taking this apart and getting everything squared away. I got the rebuild kit and I've never done this before, so this will be my first time. Hopefully I don't mess it up, but I do know it needs a bearing because you can hear it's making a lot of noise just spinning it right here. So I have new seals and all that type of stuff. So anyway, you'll just see me tear it apart and put it back together. definitely can hear a difference. It's a little bit stiffer. It feels like it's a lot tighter. Everything seems a lot better than what it was. So anyway, yep, sounds pretty good. Next, I'm going to paint it. I gotta clean it all up, paint it, and then I'll have to get a little paper gasket that goes in there. I have to figure where that's at. May have to buy this whole thing for some reason, but that's it. It's all good to go. Well, until next time.